Hey guys, welcome back to Cool Tool Tuesday. Have you ever needed to hold up an awkward big board, something that you can't quite work on the edges of where you need to, and on your bench when you put it up it's all working from the side and you're trying to stand it up and it's flopping all over the place? Kliss clamps. These are Kliss clamps by Fastcap. They're designed by Brian Kliss, who's a cabinet maker from the US. These are a super handy little clamp that are great for cabinet makers and chippies, anyone who may need to hold something vertically. If you're getting ready to hang a door, you're putting the lock and the hinge in, you need to put it up on its edge to work on that. Kliss clamps. There's a small magnet in here that when you slide this up, this will lock into place. Two of these next to each other, pop your workplace in, stomp your foot on there, that'll slide down until it locks the piece of timber. Now there's two versions of the Kliss clamp. There is the Kliss clamp standard, which will do from about 10mm up to about 40mm, 42mm. Or we also have the Kliss XL, which will do boards from 30mm all the way up to 60mm thick. These Kliss clamps could have been called Kiss clamps. The old keep it simple stupid. They're super basic, but they do their job that they're built to do very, very well. For more info on these Kliss clamps, or any of the rest of the Fastcap range, or anything else we have here at Timbecon, click the link below and don't forget to subscribe. See you next week.